Understanding signature rub, a guide to unique expressions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, signature rub. This phrase isn't just unique, but it's also a great example of how English can use familiar words in unexpected ways. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, signature rub, typically refers to a unique blend of spices or herbs used in cooking, especially for seasoning meats. The word, signature, implies that the blend is distinctive or characteristic of a particular person, chef, or restaurant. It's what makes their dish unique and memorable. So, when you hear signature rub, think of it as a special, secret recipe that adds a personal touch to a dish. Let's see how signature rub is used in sentences. The chef's signature rub for barbecue ribs is famous in the town. I love experimenting with spices to create my own signature rub for grilled chicken. In these examples, the phrase describes a special blend of spices that gives a distinct flavor to the dishes. Interestingly, the concept of a signature rub can be metaphorically extended beyond cooking. It can be used to describe any unique or special element that someone brings to their work or art. For example, the artist's signature rub is his unique way of blending colors. Every writer has a signature rub that sets their style apart. Here, the phrase symbolizes a personal or distinctive element in creative work. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, signature rub, in both culinary and broader contexts. It's all about that special, unique touch that makes something distinctly yours. Keep experimenting with language and expressions, just like you would with flavors in the kitchen. Happy learning and see you in the next video.